So for Mr. Golding again to come back, Cliff, and to say, oh, he's congratulating the Jamaica Constabulary Force and whatever and all of those things, and try to make it look like, oh, government has nothing to do with it. It is disingenuous and, in my word, Cliff, insipid.
Sir, I don't know why it is so difficult for this opposition, yes, to give credit where credit is due. Yeah? And it's a level of immaturity and tone deafness on their part, because it is so patently obvious to most people, most Jamaicans except them, yeah, that one of the success stories of the Holiness administration is crime management. And it happened under Holiness. It is so patently obvious. Everybody sees it, we feel it, we know it. Yeah? And it takes nothing away. In fact, it would redound to the credit of Golding and the PNP for them to admit it. And if they were thinking, yeah, they not only give them credit, but then they will think, sit down and think, and say how we're going to improve it